Hi, this is Mobile Max in West Hollywood, and this is my 2023 Mercedes GLB 250. I had a customer call me the other day with a newer Mercedes, and he said his collision warning was beeping all the time. I just wanted to show you how you adjust your collision warning. You go to the right part of your steering wheel and you push home. Start your car up first. Start your vehicle up. So you don't run your battery down. Start your Mercedes up. Push home. And you'll go to the right part of your screen here. And then in the middle, you can use the middle part like a mouse and go, see how I'm moving it and it's moving over? Well, you want to go over to settings and then push settings, and you want to go from there, you want to move over to assistance. Go up and then over to assistance. You want to go to assistance, then push that. And then you want to go down, attention assist, push that. Now as you can see, you can go up and down, off, or you can go standard. That's what you want, standard. But sometimes inadvertently you can put it on sensitive. See, now it's on sensitive and it's going to beep all the time. Attention assist is your collision warning system. Well, go down to standard and push standard with your mouse in the middle there. Okay, then you want to go back, and then you can go down to your blind spot. Now that's just on and off for the blind spot. So I want that on. There's no sensitive on the blind spot. Just the attention assist has sensitive and standard and off. So if it's on sensitive, it might beep all the time. So you want that definitely on standard. Go back to home. Alright, this is Mobile Max. Thank you very much.